Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the AI assistant on the Memrise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the lower bar and go to the lower right corner of the home screen. The AI body is the last option, and here you can find this different assistants, sentence builder, pronunciation translator, culture, conjugation, grammar, and others, and you can use that. Just click that and you can type with that and he will help you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.